Hello guys, welcome to our Health Benefits TV. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe now. Let's move into the video. Beetroot has a magical power. It can cure these 16 diseases and 16 health benefits of beetroot health. A serving of 100 gram raw beet has calories 43, carbohydrate 9.6 gram, protein 1.6 gram, fat 0.2 gram, folate 27% of RDI, vitamin C 8% of RDI, vitamin B6 3% of RDI, magnesium 6% of RDI, potassium 9% of RDI, manganese 19% of RDI, and iron 4% of RDI. With a vast array of nutrients, it's hard to beat the beets indeed. Like we said earlier, the health benefits of beets are umpteen. If you aren't a beet lover, we agree the earthy taste isn't that welcoming. Here are 15 plus reasons to incorporate beet and beet juice into your daily diet. Number 1. Offers great relief from sore and tight muscles. Another good news for the gym rats out there. Beetroot juice helps alleviate sore, stressed, and tight muscles, according to new research. The researchers found enhanced muscle recovery in the test group who consumed beetroot juice dose for 3 consecutive days. This means beetroot juice is a great post-workout drink. Number 2. Get relief from mountain sickness. Love high altitude tips but hate the havoc mountain sickness creates? Beetroot juice offers powerful relief from headache, vomiting, and dizziness as the nitrates in beetroot are handles on in delivering plenty of oxygen. As a result, your body will quickly acclimatize when you climb up the mountain. Next time you pack your backpack, have some room for beet juice. Number 3. Beet juice is a great liver detoxifier. Take constant efforts to include beet into your everyday life to lighten the workload of liver, one of the hardest working organs in the human body. Animal studies shows that beetroot juice may protect against liver damages. An important phytonutrient that makes beetroot your BFF is betaine, an amino acid responsible for preventing and reducing the accumulation of fat in the liver. Research on diabetic patients shows that betaine slightly decreases cholesterol, improves liver functioning, and reduces liver size. Number 4. Juice promises glowing skin. Beet juice helps make the skin noticeably radiant, young, and firmer. The anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and blood-purifying compounds present in beet work towards improving your health and well-being, which ultimately reflects on your skin, removing dead skin cells, dark spots, blemishes, irritation, and inflammation, hydrating, skin lightening, you name it, beet got it. Number 5. Blood tonic. Besides stimulating red blood cell production, beet juice is excellent in removing toxins from the circulation. The vege comes loaded with antioxidants and nitrates that increase the production of enzymes involved in removing the toxins. Number 6. Lowers the blood pressure. Did you know that hypertension accounts for almost 30% of global deaths? Being rich in dietary organic nitrates, which our body converts to nitric oxide for various bodily functions, is found to have a profound influence on relaxing and dilating the blood vessels. Number 7. Beets are good for the beat. Just like many other superfoods, beets are heart-friendly. Aside from the blood pressure-lowering nitrates, beet juice contains the antioxidant betaine and B vitamin folate, which act together in lowering homocysteine in blood. High homocysteine is found to be associated with inflammatory arterial disease. Number 8. Beet boosts stamina. Here's another interesting fact. Regular consumption of beet juice is the reason behind the crimson drug test result in athletes. Yes, athletes consume beets and beet cheese for better endurance. By dilating the blood vessels, nitrate ensures more oxygen supply to the muscles. Number 9. Beets and brain power. Alongside boosting the stamina, nitrates in beets are responsible for keeping your brain young and active, says the studies. Beet juice is a boon especially for elderly people because as we age, the body's capacity to make nitric oxide starts to decrease. Number 10. Beet is a cancer fighter. One of the acclaimed benefits of beet juice is its cancer-fighting ability. Researchers show that betaine, the fighter compound that gives beet its characteristic color, can defend against potent carcinogens, though further extensive studies are needed. One cytotoxic study of beetroot found that they may be effective against breast cancer cells. Number 11. Good for digestion. With loads of fiber, consuming beet juice might regulate digestive functions and relieve constipation. Another agent that improves digestion is betaine. It increases the acidic environment in the stomach and triggers that intestine to break down the food. In fact, half a glass of beetroot juice is still a home remedy for an irritated stomach. Number 12. Combat anemia. Deficiency of red blood cells or of hemoglobin in the blood results in anemia. Filled with iron and folate, beet juice enhance the production of red blood cells. Number 13. Protect from free radicals. Beet juice is an all-rounder is protecting the body from the free radical scavengers. With vitamin C, betaine, vulgaxanthin, polyphenols, and other potent antioxidant compounds, it does help the skin get rid of damaging toxins and environmental stressors. Number 14. Beet juice is an aphrodisiac. Because of its boron content, beets were considered a sexual booster for centuries. Research indicated that boron has a distinctive impact on estrogen and testosterone, the sexual hormones. In addition, the nitric oxide produced from the metabolism of dietary nitrate in beet increases blood flow and improves sexual life. Number 15. Beet reduces birth defects. Folic acid or folate is important for pregnant women, a deficiency of which causes giving birth to infants with neural tube defects such as spina bifida. Number 16. Helps prevent dementia. A critical issue an aging brain encounters is the lack of blood flow to its nook and corners. This leads to loss of cognitive thinking, decline in memory, and dementia. Thank you beautiful people for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, comment and share your friends. For more videos, don't forget to hit